Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Explore tool within Google Docs. This is located in the bottom right corner, and if I click on this, it'll bring up a new window. From here, it will automatically search your document, and you can also look in the web with related topics about what you've written within the document. So as you can see here, it's picked up that I've written about Grace Hopper. Now if I click on this, this will bring up Google image and web search for Grace Hopper. Now question 1 says please copy and paste and reference your findings below. Now I'm going to copy the first section and paste this in, but of course this hasn't referenced that I've taken it from Wikipedia, but that's not a problem. If I scroll down for the web results, when I hover over the Wikipedia result, it brings up a new citation button. Now you can actually change the format of the citation. By default it goes to MLA, but you can change APA or Chicago. Now I'm going to press on with my cursor next door to the reference, press on a little citus footnote. You can see this has now added a little 1 and it's referenced the article down the bottom and when I accessed it. Now for the second question, it says use the Explore tool to find a picture of Grace Hopper. Now again, up on the top, I can press images and it's automatically brought up Google image search. Now I can now press the little insert button and this picture is now within my document. Now I'm going to resize this just so it's not so big. Okay, so now for question 3. It says use the Explore tool to add additional research about Grace Hopper. So to do this, I'm actually going to close the Explore tool, and because I've added additional information within question 1, the Explore tool now re-evaluates the information on the page and will bring up some different options. So if I go back to the Explore tool, you can see from here I've now got related research to Grace Hopper and related research. Now what I can actually do from the related research is click on these and go directly to these websites. But I can also put my cursor into the box, hover over here, press the little plus icon. What this will actually do is add the text in from the related research. It will also reference it automatically down the bottom of the page.